All right. We are on another video. We are on Vlogmas number 9. We're on Vlogmas number 9. And today's video is going to be on Durags. We're going to talk about Durags and everything about them. Pretty much what I think of them and everything like that. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's Vlogmas. I got some videos to catch up on. I'm gonna catch up on some videos and whatnot, but it's no more playing time. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not giving up. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna be uploading and everything like that. I'm on a different camera right now, but it's a little sheer. It's a little worn. It's been through some stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's been through a lot of my processes, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna see me really with a crazy durag, crazy color durag, all these like type durags, man. I'm more focused on the waves. As long as the waves there, I'm good. As long as the product's there, I'm good. As long as Torino Pro and the good brush is there, I'm good. So I really want to like kind of tell my knowledge to you guys is to make sure you're not wasting your money on literally a piece of fabric. It probably costs like maybe 3 cents. So, you know, don't fall into the hype of just having crazy amounts of durags that aren't really that good. You know what I'm saying? So just think about that. But you know, there are also different types of durags I want to talk about. They're silky durags, they're velvet durags, they're mesh durags, and they're satin durags and everything. And I'm pretty sure some other ones out there. All different types of colors, all different types of brands. But I'm not paying $20. Like I'm sorry, like I'm not paying $20 for a durag. That just doesn't make sense to me. That's just not how my channel's gonna go. I might get one that I really like, but even still, that's just a lot of money for a durag, whatever. So basically, what I really want to talk to y'all about is kind of like how to use this durag effectively. And the first thing you have to do, no matter if it comes off or whatever like that, make sure you're wearing it. Like if you wear it and it comes off or whatever like that, just probably tie it a little tighter. But the first step is wearing it. That's gonna be your main thing, man. You can't really make excuses on not wearing this, because when not wearing this is gonna lift up your waves. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna make your waves wilder. If you're wolfing, it's just gonna make your process a lot longer, defined, and you don't want that. So just make sure you stay on top of it, everything like that, because if not, you know what I'm saying, your waves will lift up. Let me see if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you this. No, I think I focus. But yeah, pretty much to show you. You see my hair is like, I'm wolfing pretty much. I'm wolfing, but yeah, you see my hair is like lift up and everything like that. So the way to stop that, so this is the old school camera right here. That's funny. So yeah, the way to stop that is just wearing your durag. You know what I'm saying? Like just suck it up and wear it. You know what I'm saying? Don't overthink it. Don't try to make excuses for it. You know what I'm saying? Don't keep DMing people asking people what to do, how to get waves. Just wear your durag. You know what I'm saying? Like wear your durag, put it in brush sessions. But you have to wear this every day. Like if you're trying to be a wave YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? If you're trying to get your waves to a good point, you gotta wear this every day. You gotta stay consistent. You gotta grow. And this is one of the second steps. First is brushing, but this is gonna be one of the main things that you guys need. Especially with 180 waves, 360s, 540s, 720s, whatever ones you got, 90s, you gotta make sure you're wearing this, man. Especially if you're working on your crown. I know a lot of you guys, you like 180 waves and 360s. If you're trying to work on your crown, you gotta make sure your hair is laid down, man. You don't want your hair to be rough. You don't want it to be unmoisturized and all that. So just stick to the plan, make sure you're wearing it, and stick to it. Just stay consistent with you guys. Like, that's one thing I really want to teach you is you have to wear it every day. Like if you're younger, just understand you got to wear this every day. You know what I'm saying? Like it's easy. If you're younger, it's easy for you to get distracted and not follow through with it. But just understand this is a part of it. And if you're trying to be spinning to your best capacity, you know, to the fullest extent, you want to make sure you're wearing this as much as you can. So yeah, man. That's pretty much all I got for y'all. Like, just make sure y'all learn this. Make sure you like the video, subscribe for more videos. But you know what I'm saying? Keep wearing your do-rag. Don't stop wearing it. And I want you guys to let me know your progress and how it's working for you. But just stay up to date and wear your do-rag, man. That's what I got to tell you. So do that. My camera's about to die. I'm out.
In a new alliance for progress to assist free men and free governments in casting off the chains of poverty. But this peaceful revolution of hope cannot become the prey of hostile powers. Let all our neighbors know that we shall join with them to oppose aggression or subversion anywhere in the Americas. And let every other power know that this hemisphere intends to remain the master of its own house. To that world assembly of sovereign states, the United Nations, our last best hope, in an age where the instruments of war have far outpaced the instruments of peace, we renew our pledge of support to prevent it from becoming merely a forum for invective, to strengthen its shield of the new and the weak, and to enlarge the area in which its writ may run. Finally, to those nations who would make themselves our adversary, we offer not a pledge, but a request that both sides begin anew the quest for peace. Before the dark powers of destruction, unleashed by science, engulf all humanity in planned or accidental self-destruction. We dare not tempt them with weakness, for only when our arms are sufficient beyond doubt can we be certain beyond doubt that they will never be employed. But neither can two great and powerful groups of nations take comfort from our present course, both sides overburdened by the cost of modern weapons, both rightly alarmed by the steady spread of the deadly atom, yet both racing to alter that uncertain balance of terror that stays the hand of mankind's final war. So let us begin anew, remembering on both sides that civility is not a sign of weakness, and sincerity is always subject to proof. Let us never negotiate out of fear, but let us never fear to negotiate. Let both sides explore what problems unite us, instead of belaboring those problems which divide us. Let both sides, for the first time, formulate serious and precise proposals for the inspection and control of arms, and bring the absolute power to destroy other nations under the absolute control of all nations. Let both sides seek to invoke the wonders of science instead of its terrors. Together, let us explore the stars, conquer the desert, eradicate disease, tap the ocean depths, and encourage the arts and commerce. Let both sides unite to heed in all corners of the earth the command of Isaiah to undo the heavy burden and let the oppressed go free. And if a beachhead of cooperation may push back the jungle of suspicion, let both sides join in creating a new endeavor. Not a new balance of power, but a new world of law, where the strong are just, and the weak secure, and the peace preserved. All this will not be finished in the first 100 days, nor will it be finished in the first 1,000 days, nor in the life of this administration, nor even perhaps in our lifetime on this planet. But let us begin. In your hands, my fellow citizens, more than mine,